Tired of the same old Minecraft landscapes and ready to frolic in a pink paradise? Today, we're diving headfirst into finding the elusive and beautiful cherry grove biome in both Java and Bedrock. First things first, seed selection. While the cherry grove can naturally generate in any world, using a seed node to have one nearby can save you a ton of time. Search online for cherry grove seeds specific to your version, Java or Bedrock. Inputting this seed during world creation will increase your chances of spawning near a cherry grove, but it's not a guarantee. For Java players, the most reliable method is using the in-game locate command. Make sure you have cheats enabled in your world options. Then, open your chat window and type locate biome Minecraft tree_grove. The game will then give you the coordinates to the nearest cherry grove biome. If commands aren't your thing, or you're on Bedrock where the locate command isn't as helpful with biomes, exploration is key. Cherry groves tend to generate in mountainous areas, so look for large mountain ranges on your map. Keep an eye out for areas with a lighter green color on your map. This can sometimes indicate the presence of a cherry grove. Prepare for a long journey, maybe bring a horse or craft some rockets for your elytra, and start exploring those high-altitude areas. Remember that cherry groves can be relatively small, so scan the horizon carefully. Once you spot those telltale pink leaves, you've struck gold. Happy exploring, and enjoy your time in the cherry grove.